was asking us, hey, where's the Paramatma? He took a vacation. He went to Kulu Valley. He went swimming. Right. Excuse me. So, Hanuman, who's in his heart, Ram. So, I don't know, you can read the Tika in this book and find out all Because what does he quote? He quotes in the verse, Achintya Beta Beta Tattva. Jiva Goswami says. He has included the word achintya, inconceivable. Krishna's inconceivable Shakti touches all apparent contradictions. This is a very good tika. In other words, that's why he's God, because he can do all these things. I don't want to. That's a fact. Whole important the Bhagavad Gita is established the supremacy of Krishna. And he's everywhere, he's nowhere, he's inside, he's outside, That's when you hear all that, that's why when you hear all that, the only solution is it's achintya. Jiva Goswami says in Sandarbhas, unless you can accept the principle of achintya tattva, the Krishna's inconceivable truth, you can't advance, bhakti. In other words, Krishna's always one step beyond us. One saint said, trying to understand Bhagavan with material intellect is like trying to sit an elephant on a tea saucer.
Trying to sit an elephant on a tea saucer. See?
Listen again. Trying to understand Bhagavan, God, with our little brain, Einstein or whoever we are, with our brain, however big it is like trying to accommodate, was the word he used, accommodate or sit an elephant on a thali, lunch thali. Thali is this big. The elephant's foot is this big. So that's a nice statement. I said it a few times. In other words, it's inconceivable. The whole, don't get too hung up on all this, because the whole conclusion of Bhagavad Gita, the sarvaguhyatamam, the most important thing is love. Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyajivanasru. But I think it's clear. The verses are clear, and you can read it. These tikas, this is the best one to get. I told that before. You have it. I sent you a soft copy of this.
Yes.
But he mentions the Chinti Veda. Gatana Agatana Patiyasi Shakti. It's another power of God. The power to make the possible impossible or impossible possible. That's Krishna.
That is even valid for Guru also, no? Gurudev, you told Gatana, Agatana?
No, well, Guru will never take the credit for that power. He's just via medium to Krishna's sanctions, Krishna's will. Guru is a humble servant. He's Sakshat Hari. So he's not different. He's directly Krishna. He's directly representing Krishna's interest and Krishna's mercy. He says Guru's Kripa Shakti Murti. He carries the mercy of Krishna. He looks whatever he looks, doesn't matter what he looks like. But he's received mercy coming in from Pura. And then if his guru asks him to spread the mercy, then he spreads the mercy more. It's just the will of Bhagavan. It's been going on like that since the beginning of the creation. The guru represents God. God himself, in every age, God himself surrenders to Guru. And Treta Yuga, Satyuga, Dwapara, Kali. Kali Yuga, Mahaprabhu surrendered to Guru, two Gurus, Ishvara Puri and Keshav Bharati. Surrendered to Rai Ramananda also. Became his disciple, asked him questions. What's the time now?
5:10.
Kind of late. Any more questions?
One question.
Yeah, wait, let's record it. I make